name is David Hale, um, and I work for the Peer Recovery Center of Cape Cod in Hyannis. I've been involved with Duffy from the beginning of my recovery from addiction, drugs, and alcohol. And one of the things that I realized when I first got into recovery was that I needed to take care of myself. I needed to focus on myself. The focus became at first medical because of the physical things that were happening to me. The second thing was mental health issues. Third thing was case management issues. Um, Also with insurance issues and things like that, I always had somebody to talk to at Duffy. So I see a doctor. I see a primary care. I have a counselor that I see on a regular basis, and I even go to the psychiatrist from time to time. Um, these are all things that I've been doing for the entire time that I've been in recovery. Though I was living in the old Noah homeless shelter at the time, um, I was on the verge of becoming and going homeless, being absolutely, totally homeless with nothing, nowhere to go, nothing, no money. I mean, the bottom had basically come out of my life, and through um, it was through my caseworker and through other people that I became aware of the Champ Homes, and I became aware of the Pilot House, and so instead of me having to suffer the indignation of being homeless, I was able to avoid that part completely. So, it is really incumbent upon me to say that one of the greatest things that Duffy does is helps people that are homeless and seeking refuge, safety, and that's what happened to me. I got to bypass it. you know Even though I'd been homeless before, I got to bypass it this time. And at my age, I was 60 years old at the time, and at my age, if you hadn't lived that life for a considerable period of time, being thrown into that life would have been just a misery beyond description. At the same time I was starting with Duffy, I was also starting my new life in recovery, and volunteering and being a member at the Peer Recovery Center. And I've been here since then. Now I'm an addiction recovery coach, certified addiction recovery coach, um, peer support specialist, and with an enormous amount of lived experience. I believe that, I am now in a position to where I can actually help people. To help people get physically, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally back on the right track again. I see Duffy as being a great protector of the people out there that can't afford medical care. They can't afford to pay the enormous amounts of money that it takes to insure your family, to insure yourself even. Duffy offers an endless supply of not only affection but also results. I go to bed at night and say my prayers, and then I also think about the people that are outside right now. You know, if it wasn't for Duffy, a lot of these people would not make it, period. You know, so Duffy is a great protector and a great protector of the community in which it serves. And I just, you know, I think that Duffy is the best medical care that I've ever gotten anywhere in my entire life. And it took me having to lose everything to make that possible. So, you know, miracles do happen. You know, and walking through the front door of Duffy is a miracle. If you can make it that far, you can make it all the way.